Here's a thought that might change your day. You're already confident. Seriously, you just might be redirecting all that confidence into worrying about not being confident enough. Sound familiar? We've been sold this idea that confidence is a permanent personality trait, a superpower that some people just woke up with. And if you don't have it, you're doomed to backstage in your own life. Hey everyone, today we're not talking about fake it till you make it or power poses. Though, hey, no shame if that works for you. But what if confidence wasn't about adding something new, but about subtracting the things that block what's already there? Think of it like this. Your natural, capable self is a clear, flowing stream. Confidence isn't about building a bigger, louder waterfall. It's about gently removing the logs and rocks of doubt, overthinking, and comparison that are damming it up. And the best part? That's a simple process. Not always easy, but beautifully, surprisingly simple. So, in this video, we're going to walk through 3 shifts. Not 10 steps, not a complex formula, just 3 perspective shifts that untie the knots holding you back. First, we'll reframe what confidence even is. Hint, it has nothing to do with being the loudest or most certain person in the room. What if it's something much quieter and much more accessible? Second, we'll talk about your internal microphone. Where is it pointed? Because right now, it's probably wired to amplify every doubt and critique. Let's reposition it. And third, we'll build your proof portfolio. This is the actionable, quick wins part. We're not chasing mountains here. We're collecting tiny, undeniable pieces of evidence that you are, in fact, competent and capable. By the end of this, you'll have a clearer stream, a quieter mind, and a practical, gentle method to build real, unshakable assurance from the inside out. No jargon, no toxic positivity, just the straightforward understanding that confidence is less about boosting your ego and more about bypassing your fears. Ready to see how simple it can be? Let's get into it. Let's start by dismantling myth number 1. We think confidence is a feeling we have to wait for. We stand at the edge of a conversation, a presentation, a social event, and we think, I'll go in when I feel confident. But here's the secret. Confident people don't feel confident first. They decide to act confidently, and the feeling catches up later. Think about it like getting into a cool pool. You can stand there, dipping your toe, waiting for your body to feel ready to be cold, or you can make the decision to jump. The shock is the same, but it's over in a second and then you're swimming. Your first shift is this. Stop waiting for the feeling. Authorize the action. Say to yourself, I am deciding to speak up, or I'm deciding to walk in there. You are moving from passenger to driver. This alone is 80% of the battle. Now onto your internal microphone. Right now, for most of us, it's on the world's most sensitive setting pointed directly at ourselves. It's amplifying every heartbeat, every stammer, every memory of a past awkward moment. It's listening for external validation like it's life or death. Here's shift 2. Reposition the microphone. Your job is not to commentate on your own performance. Your job is to be curious about everything outside of you. Your mission in any situation is to ask, what is this person really trying to say? What can I learn here? What's one interesting detail in this room? When your focus is on absorbing, learning, and connecting, there is literally no mental bandwidth left for the "am I doing this right?" commentary. The anxiety channel gets switched off because you've changed the station. This brings us to the most actionable part, building unshakable evidence. We're trained to look for confidence fuel outside. Likes, compliments, promotions. That's like building a house on sand. It disappears with the next wave of criticism. Real confidence is built on a private, internal portfolio of proof. You are the curator. Shift 3. Start collecting tiny, undeniable wins that have nothing to do with anyone's opinion. Did you finish a workout you didn't want to do? That's proof of discipline. File it. Did you send that difficult email? That's proof of courage. File it. Did you cook a new recipe without burning it down? That's proof of competence. File it. This isn't about arrogance. It's about building a factual, irrefutable case to yourself that you are a person who does hard things. When your inner critic pipes up, you can open this drawer and say, actually, the evidence suggests otherwise. You stop needing the standing ovation because you've already given yourself the most honest review. So, let's tie our 3 simple shifts together. 1. You decide to act before the feeling arrives. 2. You point your focus outward, getting curious, not self-conscious. 3. You privately collect proof that you are capable. This is the flywheel of real confidence. It's quiet, it's internal, it's yours forever. It doesn't mean you'll never be nervous again. It means nervousness is no longer the boss of you. Your challenge this week? Pick one, just one. Maybe before your next meeting, you simply decide you will speak one sentence. Maybe in a conversation, you redirect your focus to truly listen. Or maybe tonight, you write down one small proof from today you've been overlooking. Because confidence isn't a grand destination. It's a simple series of choices repeated. It's already in you. You just have to clear the stream and let it flow. If this resonated with you, give this video a like. It helps this message reach someone else who needs to hear it. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more simple frameworks to navigate life a little easier. Now I'm curious, which of these 3 shifts are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. Let's support each other. Thanks for watching. Remember, you've got this. One simple decision at a time.